Here I have LENOVO TAB M8, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. Firstly, you should select language. Could be English for me. Tap next, tap start. Then you should agree to privacy statement and tap next. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but if you don't have it on, you can just skip this step. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also do this later and set up device offline. Then you set up date and time. Then you have Google services, which I suggest you to turn off. Tap accept. Then you can set up device protection, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then you can select, you can go through this system navigation. You can set up gesture navigation or 3 buttons. I suggest you to use gestures. And that's all the setup process. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.